Welcome to the Sewerage interest rates video tutorial. This video will walk you through the data collection and template filling process for sewerage charges interest rates. Digit Water and Sewerage module enables online processing of new connection requests, generation of water bills, and facilitation of bill payments. The module eliminates the need for manual processing and streamlines the key water management functions for operational efficiency. Interest is levied from the consumer in case the consumer fails to make the payment of the bill before the specified due date. Interest rates are calculated essentially on a daily percentage basis. Download the master's data template. The Sewerage interest rates master's list table contains 4 columns: serial number, interest based on, grace period, and interest percentage. Interest on sewerage charges is generally calculated upon either the entire bill amount or the amount pending for payment. Note down this value in the first column. Data type for this is text. Grace period is number of days after which the system starts to calculate interest. Enter grace period value in the next column. Data type is integer. Enter the value for interest percentage in the next column. Data type is decimal. Refer to the checklist to ensure data accuracy and data entry requirements are met. For any queries or more information, please reach out to our technical support team for assistance.